Hi, welcome to our new episode of Absolutely, Business Entrepreneur Stories. In this episode, we will see the history of Google, a subsidiary of Alphabet Holding Company, one of the most widely used search engines in the world, which has a history that dates back to the late 1990s. Before Google went public, people used to search for information differently. They flipped through encyclopedias, read books and newspapers, asked professionals, or gathered gossip. However, Google reinvented the way we access information. We now receive answers from its search engine, exchange messages on Gmail, and store files on Google Drive. But how did it become the behemoth it is today? Let's take a look. It all began in 1996, when Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two computer science graduate students at Stanford University, began working on a research project. They were trying to find a way to make the internet more accessible and useful by creating a search engine that could understand the relationships between websites and rank the results based on their relevance. Their initial project was called Backrub, which was a search engine that analyzed the backlinks of a website to determine its importance. This was a novel idea at the time, as most search engines used simple keyword matching to determine relevance. But Page and Brin's approach promised to provide more accurate and useful results. However, the project was not without its challenges. The internet was still in its infancy, and there were a limited number of websites to index. Additionally, the sheer amount of data that needed to be processed was enormous and required significant computational resources. Despite these challenges, Page and Brin persisted. They eventually refined the Backrub algorithm, and in 1998, inspired by the vast number of links between pages and how their search engine would only become more accurate and useful as the web continued to grow, Page and Brin renamed their company after the mathematical term Google, a 1 followed by 100 zeros, and officially launched Google as a company with a $100,000 investment from Sun Microsystems co-founder Andy Bechtolsheim. Initially, the search engine was run out of a garage in Menlo Park, California, and had a small team of employees. But it quickly gained popularity, thanks to its innovative PageRank algorithm, which ranked website results based on the number and quality of other sites linking to them. As Google's popularity grew, so did the company. It expanded rapidly, adding new features like image and video search, and eventually, Google Maps and Google Earth. The early 2000s would prove to be big and defining years for Google. Long before Google became a verb, Yahoo was the premier internet search engine. As Google began to gain popularity, it even became Yahoo's search engine provider in 2000. By the summer of 2002, Yahoo tried to acquire Google for $3 billion, but Google reportedly turned down the deal as it felt it was worth at least $5 billion. In 2004, the company went public, and its stock price soared, making Page and Brin billionaires. Following an initial investment of $100,000 from Bechtolsheim, Google subsided on a series of other angel investments, including one from Amazon founder and CEO Jeff Bezos. The angel investments precede a more formal $25 million funding round in 1999 from traditional Silicon Valley venture capital firms like Kleiner Perkins and Sequoia Capital. The company's web advertising products made it hugely profitable, leading to an eventual initial public offering 5 years later. Google priced its stock at $85 a share, giving it a $27 billion valuation after raising close to $1.7 billion. Today, the company is now well on its way to becoming a trillion-dollar company. Google is not the only search engine existing in the world. There are such alternative platforms as DuckDuckGo, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, and Yandex, but the majority of people in the world are not even aware of their existence. Or even if they know about Yahoo and Bing, people still turn to Google when they are searching for something on the internet. After all, Google does have 92% of the search engine market share worldwide, alongside all these platforms. However, this could change after the arrival of a new artificial intelligence competitor. Today, Google is not just a search engine, but a technology giant that offers a wide range of products and services, including email, cloud storage, and online advertising. It is one of the most valuable companies in the world, and its search engine remains the go-to choice for billions of people worldwide. But Google's success is not just about its search engine. The company has also been known for its corporate culture, which values innovation and creativity. Google has also been known for its philanthropy and corporate social responsibility, such as Google.org and the Google Impact Challenge. Google's innovations do not stop with YouTube, Google Books, or Google News. The company has recently stepped into the more distant territory of wearable tech, mobile operating systems, driverless vehicles, and renewable energy. How does Google generate revenue? Google makes money primarily through advertising and through its cloud services. Advertising. Google's advertising business is the largest source of revenue for the company. Google's advertising platform, Google AdWords, allows businesses to place ads on Google's search engine, as well as on other websites across the internet. This platform generates revenue for Google by charging businesses for each click on an ad or for each 1,000 impressions of an ad. Additionally, Google also operates other advertising platforms such as Google AdSense, which allows website owners to display ads on their sites and earn revenue from those ads. Cloud services. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is a collection of computing services that run on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end-user products, such as Google Search and YouTube. GCP offers services such as computing, data storage, and application development that allow businesses to run their operations on Google's infrastructure. This generates revenue for Google through the sale of cloud services to businesses. Google also generates revenue through the sales of its hardware products such as Chromebook, Nest, and Pixel phones. In addition, Google generates revenue through its YouTube platform by charging advertisers to place ads on YouTube videos, or by offering YouTube Premium and YouTube Music subscriptions. Google Maps and Google Play also generate revenue through advertising and through the sale of apps and games. Lastly, Google generates revenue through licensing fees for its proprietary technologies and for its use of patented technologies. It is difficult to predict the future with certainty, but it is likely that Google will continue to be a dominant player in the technology industry. The company's search engine and advertising business are still its main sources of revenue, and it is likely that these will continue to be major sources of revenue in the future. What's the future of Google? Google's focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning is also likely to be a major driver of its future growth. The company has already made significant investments in these areas and has been developing products such as Google Assistant and Google Translate that utilize AI. The company's cloud platform, Google Cloud, is also expected to grow as more and more companies are moving their data and applications to cloud platforms. Google has also been investing in hardware and devices such as Google Home and Google Pixel, and the company may continue to expand in this area as well. Additionally, Google's push into the gaming industry is an area to watch, with the launch of Google Stadia, a cloud gaming platform that allows users to play games on any device with internet access. Overall, the future of Google looks promising, with the company's strong financial position and a track record of innovation and disruption. Google's ability to adapt and evolve with the changing technology landscape will be key to its future success. Today, after the arrival in the technological world of ChatGPT, Google has launched a red alert to all its senior leaders and workers to promote new intelligence developments that can counteract the enormous success that this new competitor is having in the market. In the coming months, surely, Google will launch new applications and tools linked to artificial intelligence. There is no doubt that Google is a company loved and appreciated by all. From humble beginnings in a Stanford University computer lab to a global technology powerhouse, Google's story is one of innovation, hard work, and a relentless pursuit of making the internet more accessible and useful for all. However, before the arrival of a new competitor, this technological monster is about to wake up. We will see soon what new projects will leave for humanity, and especially in the field of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching this story, and I hope you enjoyed the history of Google and its great evolution in the last decades. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to help this channel grow. Absolutely, inspiring business and entrepreneur stories. So, what's your story?